Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jeromekeys Music. So today I want to do the continuation of my previous video I did about this popular Pami Oja. So today I'll be doing the other version of it, that is. So I'll be teaching you how to play this one today. So just watch and learn. And I'll be playing on F sharp, but the particular key I'm on is on E. But I'll be calling out the notes. For those of us that is not familiar with F sharp, you can apply it to your own key. Or I'll try and do it on F also. I'll try and do it on F. So I'll be doing it on F sharp and F today. So just watch and learn. So this is just how it goes. The first thing I was playing there is Fala fala so say fa me so. Guys, fala, just play. Let's go. Fala fala so say fa me so me la so me re fa fa. There we go. Fala fala so say fa me so me la so me re fa fa. Fa so me fa so me fa re. Hope you are getting it. Let me just take it slowly. The first one. Fala fala so ti fa me so me la so me re fa fa so me fa so me fa re so fa re mi fa re so fa. Then you go to so do so la so fa la so ti so la fa mi so do so la so fa la so ti so la fa mi so fa so mi fa re. Then you go back to fa so mi fa re so fa so mi. That is also how this one goes. Before you go, but I'll be teaching you this one in my other video. I just want to teach you this one today. So you go so fa so mi fa re so fa so mi. First one. Fa la so ti fa mi so me la so mi re fa fa so mi fa so fa so mi fa re so fa re mi fa re so fa. Then you go so do so la so fa la so ti so la fa mi so do so la so fa la so ti so la fa mi so fa so mi fa re so fa so mi so fa re mi fa re so fa. So after you play that previous one I did, that is from this one you can just go to that other one and you can just be switching it, just be playing it along. Then after this one is this other one. So I'll be teaching you this one in my next video also. So let me just do this particular one on key F. So for those of us, I know I have so many players that play on F here. So let me just do the breakdown on F so you can get it also. So it's just the same notes I was playing there, I will be playing here. That is once you play your Fala, fala, so, ti, fa, mi, so, mi, la, so, mi, re, fa, fa. That is one to play. Mi, la, so, mi, re, fa, fa, so, mi, fa, so, mi, so, fa, re, so, re, mi, fa, re, so, fa. Then you go so, do, so, la, so, fa, la, so, ti, so, la, fa, mi, so, do, so, la, so, fa, la, so, ti, so, la, fa, mi, so. So it's just the same notes I was playing there. It's just the same note. Then it's just the same notes. You just apply, you just follow the notes and apply it to your own key. For those of us that play on C also, you can just apply the notes. It's just the same thing. Once you play the notes correctly, it will go well. So thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and also subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks and God bless you all.